Hello everyone, today we are talking about a recent and shocking incident involving former President Donald Trump. Let's dive into what happened at the rally in Pennsylvania. On Saturday, during a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania, there was a shooting. Donald Trump was there, and while he safe, he got hurt. There was a blood on his ear and cheek. Secret Service agent quickly stopped the shooter, but sadly one person died and two were badly hurt. Later, Trump posted on his social media platform, The Truth Social. He confirmed that he was shot in the ear and expressed his shock. He sent condolences to those who affected by a tragic event. This incident is important because it is the first time in many years that a current or a former president has been targeted in a shooting. In American history, four presidents were tragically killed. Abraham Lincoln on April 14, 1865, James Garfield on July 2, 1881, William McKinley on September 6, 1901, and John F. Kennedy on November 22, 1963. And 8 other presidents survived assassination attempts, including Andrew Jackson on January 30, 1835, Theodore Roosevelt on October 4, 1912, Harry S. Truman on November 1, 1950, Ronald Reagan on March 30, 1981. Trump now joined the list of presidents who were shot or attacked. This shows how tough US history has been. President Biden criticized the violence and stressed the need for unity and the peace in the country. He mentioned that investigations are ongoing. The shooting happened right before the Republicans' National Convention, where Trump was set to accept his party's nomination for president. Both Republicans and Democrats have come together to condemn the attack, emphasizing safety and stability during election campaigns. The FBI named the man who shot at Donald Trump during rally. His name is Thomas Matthew Crook. Thomas Matthew Crook was 20-year-old, who's dead now, opened fire while Trump was speaking to the crowd. Unfortunately, one person in the audience died and two others were badly hurt. During the chaos, a Secret Service agent sniper shot and killed Crook at the scene. This is a very serious and sad situation. It reminds us of the risk and challenges faced by public figures. Stay safe and informed everyone. Follow for more updates on this developing story. Thanks for watching. See you next time.